Hi, good morning. In previous video, we have discussed about the types of communication that we are using in Arduino boards, like UART, USART, SPI protocols. These protocols we have discussed. Now we are going to see about an Arduino libraries and adding and removing libraries in Arduino. And this comes under a microcontroller and interfacing techniques for IoT devices. First, we have to start Arduino IDE. We have to download the Arduinos and we have to install. First, we have to open Arduino IDE and launch the Arduino IDE on your computer. And then we have to go for exams. We have different exams will be there. In another tools, we have a board. We have to select which type of Arduino board we are using. Then we have to select that board, and also in tools we have to select a port that we are using for serial communication. In serial port we have to select COM1. These are the features of Arduino. Arduino is an open source and make open source software. You have to make it easy to write code and upload it to the board. It runs on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It is a C++ based course on Arduino hard task, super loop based approach. And starting with Arduino, getting an Arduino and a USB cable, and download the Arduino environment and connect the board, install the drivers, launch the Arduino applications, code program for the application, and select your board and select the serial port to communicate with the board and upload the program and compile it. The Arduino environment can be extended through the use of library. Just like most programming platforms, library provide extra functionality for use in sketches. Example, working with hardware or manipulating data. To use a library in a sketch, select it from sketch and import library. A number of libraries can be installed with IDE, but we have to download or create on our own. This is an installing and adding Arduino library. Under the tools, we have to include, under the sketch, we have to select include library, and we have to manage the libraries. In that, we have to select the version that we are using, and Arduino adding library by zip files. Libraries can be distributed as a zip file or folder. The name of the folder in the name of the library. Inside the folder, there will be a .cpp file and .h file, and often a keywords.txt file. Examples folders and other files recorded by the library. Starting downloading Arduino IDE, navigate to sketch, include library, and add the .zip library at the drop down list and select the add.zip library. Then to the sketch, include library menu. We should now see the library at the bottom of the drop down menu. It is used to ready to be used in your sketch. The zip file will have been expanded in the library folders in our Arduino sketches directory. The library will be available to use in sketches, but other older IDE versions, examples of the library will not be exposed after the IDE has been restarted. This is the manual installing. When we want to add the library manually, we need to download the zip file and expand it and put it in the proper directory. The zip file contains including usage examples if the author has provided them. The library manager is designed to install zip file automatically as explained in the former chapter, but there are cases where you want to perform installation process manually and put the library in the library folder of our sketchbook by ourselves. Starting Arduino software, first we have to go sketch, include library, first we have to verify that library we have added is available in the list. Thank you.